Hello everybody, how are you? Today inshallah we will discuss the chapter of employee relationship or employee retention. We have two important points in this chapter. The first one is the different types of employee relationship. The second is the advantage of good relationship. The first important point is the different types of employee relationship. We have two main kinds of employee relationship. The first one is downward communication and the second is upward communication. What's the meaning of downward communication? Downward communications means the relationship from employers to workers, the relationship from higher levels to lower levels. In this kind of relationship, the leaders explain policies, strategic aims and goals, talking about mission and vision of the organization, and offer feedback of performance. In this kind of relationship, the leaders explain policies, main aims and goals of the organization, talking about mission and vision to the organization, and offer feedback of performance. We have many examples to this relationship, such as training, benefits, safety, insurance, collective problem solving, rewards, and recognition. The second type of relationship is upward communication. What's the meaning of upward communication? Upward communications means the relationship from lower levels to higher levels, the relationship from workers to leaders. In this kind of the relationship, the workers explain problems that face them to the leaders and the leaders try to solve it. Also in this kind of relationship, the managers or leaders want to know the feeling of the workers toward the organization. We have also many examples to this relationship, such as making annual events and making activities. We have third kind of relationship, which is called lateral communication. What's the meaning of lateral communication? Lateral communications means the relationship at the same levels. The relationship at the same level, such as the relationship between workers and each other. But the two main kinds of relationship are upward communication and downward communication. The second important point in this chapter is the advantage of good relation. When we have good relationship between workers and employers, that means reduce absenteeism, reduce cost on training, increasing productivity, harmony in the organization, improve motivation, attract good talent, and shared learning and continuous improvement. When we have good relationship between workers and employers, that means reduce absenteeism, reduce cost in training, improve motivation, harmony in the organization, attract good talent, and shared learning and continuous improvement. They are the two important points in this chapter.